Here we are, releasing to a new pond.
We're down here. We have to walk down here.
There's our pond right there. Our paddle boats.
Yeah, this thing is full of water too from all the rain.
Yeah.
Oh, Katie did. The cicada. Let's go to the dam and release them.
On the other side.
Yep. That way we can see them. He's pretty heavy too.
Yeah. Pretty bird.
This is a good spot, won't it?
Yeah.
You'll see him take off.
We never kill, always catch and release.
The turtle meat's good. It's just, I don't have no reason to eat him. I got plenty of food. He's big. He'll probably head right towards the water. Getting his bearings. Wondering what in the world's going on.
Go ahead, buddy.
Oh, he knows the water's there. He don't know what to do. Edge him on.
There he goes. Enter your new home, buddy.
Now the kids won't go swimming in the pond.
He's in heaven.
Oh, he will be now. There he goes.
Took a real deep breath. Yep, he took a deep breath. He's down. He's under.
Now see if the weeds move. That's the air bubbles.
Yeah.
You can see the direction he's going with the air bubbles.
Yep, right there, weeds moved. There he is.
Did he pop up again?
No, the weeds moved.
Yeah. Yep, he's free. Till we catch him again. Peace.
Everybody have a good day. Bye.